Hi, in this video we'll demonstrate how to replace a faulty air tube using a complete spare tube. You start by unzipping the fabric casing of the tent and pulling out the deflated tube. Inflate your replacement tube slightly to give it some shape, making it much easier to install into the fabric sleeve of the tent. Align the valve with the hole in the tent and the Velcro on the inside, keeping the tube in place. Adjust along the length of the tube to ensure the zipper on the outer casing is facing directly towards the zipper on the fabric sleeve. Now zip close the fabric sleeve. You can now fully inflate the tube to 8-9 psi from the outside and you're good to go.